Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This is a breathing meditation where we will focus our breath in order to relax our mind and body. Keep your eyes closed and touch your pointer finger to the center of your chest. Imagine the number 8 on your shirt underneath your finger. A number 8 has 2 parts, the loop at the top and the loop at the bottom. We will be tracing the number 8 with our finger in time with our breath. As you slowly trace the top loop of the 8, you will take a deep breath in. As you trace the bottom loop, you will breathe out slowly. Let's try it. Keep your eyes closed, finger on your chest. Imagine a figure 8 on your chest and slowly begin to trace it. Trace the top loop of the 8 and breathe in. Cross over to the bottom loop of the 8 and breathe out. Try this breathing a couple times on your own. The top of the loop, breathe in. The bottom of the loop, breathe out. You might have noticed that the speed of your finger was making you rush or slow down your breathing. Instead of your finger being in charge, imagine that your breath is in charge. Move your finger as slow as you breathe. Try to match your finger to the speed of your breathing. Breathe in and draw the top loop. Breathe out and draw the bottom loop. Try this a couple more times now. Now, let's change our focus. Instead of focusing on your breath, focus on the tickling sensation of your finger on your chest instead. And now relax. go back to breathing normally. Listen to the music and enjoy the rest of your mindful minute. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.